Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can save Instagram Reels forever. So even if they are not available on Instagram anymore, you can still view them. So let's begin the video. Here you can see I have opened Instagram Reels, and let's suppose that I like this particular reel. So if you don't know, you can only like or favorite a Instagram Reel. You cannot download or save it. I'm going to tell you about an app which will save these reels forever. So even if they are not available on Instagram, you can still view them. And the best part is that the app is not going to use any of your phone storage in order to save these Instagram reels. So all you need to do is that on your iPhone, open the App Store and download the app called Faves. I will put this app link in the video description. The app is completely free, so make sure you download it first. Once you have downloaded the Faves app, you can see here, so make sure that you open the app first. For the first time, it's going to ask you to set up some basic things like your username, etc., which I recommend that you do so. After that, there are two ways to save your Instagram reels. First of all, let me just again open Instagram, and let's suppose I want to save this reel forever. So all you need to do is to press on this share button right here, and here you can see it says share to. Press on the share to button, and here you're going to see the Faves app right here. As you can see the Faves app. If you're not seeing the Faves app, here you can go at the very end where it says more. Just press on the more button, and here in the list you're going to see the Faves app as well. So just press on the Faves app, and once you do it for 1-2 times, it will be added to your recent apps and it will be much quicker. So basically in your Faves app, you make something called as stack. Basically stack is a collection of videos. So here I have a stack of TikTok videos where I save my favorite TikTok videos. For Instagram, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to press on the create stack button, and you can name your stack anything. I'm just going to name it IG. Press on return, and I'm going to press on create stack. Once this tag is selected, just press on favorite, and now what will happen that this particular Instagram reel will be saved on the Faves app. If I go back, open the Faves app, you can see the Instagram stack has been created. If I open the Instagram stack, you can see the video is present. So let's suppose if the share button is not working or the Faves app is not present, all you can do is to press on the share button again, press on copy link. Once the link has been copied, open the Faves app, and here you can press on add a fave and just paste that link. So all you need to do is to allow paste, and that video will be saved in this way if the first shorter process is not working. So yeah guys, in this way you can save Instagram reels forever. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.